NASDAQ this week has risen in value. And if you have watched my weekly analysis, I was expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, waiting for a Monday to see how the price will open. We can see that the Monday has opened here with a bearish candle, not going below this area of support. It was a confirmation of the bullish candle here, where the price continued to rise the value in the next days. And we can see on the Friday the price was trying to reach high price levels, but then at the end of the day the price has retraced. This is just visible that the trades have locked their profits before the weekend starts. On the weekly time frame, we can see it is continuation of this bullish strong candle which has closed in the previous week. The price continued to rise in value, so I'm still open to see this NASDAQ rising in value. Where the next one is, we need to see the price making a bullish break at about this 125. Let's round it to 26, and we can see on the daily time frame that 25 around 26 is the next resistance where the price is heading. So I'm still open to see the price reaching higher price levels next week, but first to see how the Monday opens. When the Monday opens, we will see much more clearly what is the information on the market, is there any gap or without the gap, and how the market reacts on the Monday. After that, I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of resistance unless we see the price going on a Monday further down. So for now, I'm still bullish oriented on the NASDAQ, but let's go step by step. Also check the link below in the comments. It is a link for the chat room where we can chat about anything, any symbol on any market. Feel free to join, it's free. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.